Hello friends, today we are going to learn about vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is very known to most of the people all around world. Still, it is a mysterious vitamin as all facts about it are not known till date. Vitamin B12 is a water soluble. It originates in gastrointestinal tract of most of the animals. By that way, it is an animal product. It also produced in last part of human intestine. But its absorption in human is in first part of intestine, small intestine, hence produced in last part is mostly not useful for humans. But we can get it from foods and supplements. Now, which are sources of vitamin B12? So all are animal origin foods. First, poultry, meat, eggs, fish. Secondly, milk, paneer and dairy products. Now, also some fortified cereals breakfast and fortified yeast contains vitamin B12. When human body gets excess vitamin B12, it stores it in the liver for future use. But still some people, mostly vegetarian people, but not all vegetarian, develop vitamin B12 deficiency. The reason behind it is not clearly understood. Now, what is requirement of vitamin B12 in our body? So B12 has main role in nerve and muscle function. It is also required for healthy skin and function of the gastrointestinal tract. So its deficiency leads to many problems in human body, and to keep it in normal level you need to eat B12 rich food daily, which are mostly animal origin foods. Now, common symptoms of B12 deficiency. So muscle and nerve weakness, limb tremors and numbness, body ache, easy fatigue, malaise, gastrointestinal problems like indigestion, gas, loss of appetite, and weight loss. Now, one more condition due to the low B12 is pernicious anemia. Anemia means low Hb in blood, commonly due to iron deficiency. But when low Hb is associated to low B12, it is called pernicious anemia, which is severe form of anemia. So, if you are feeling above symptoms related to the vitamin B12 deficiency, then you should consult your physician and should take his advice. For B12 deficiency, tablets and vitamin injections, both treatment are available and your physician will guide you for that. One more thing, those who have low vitamin B12, they should check B12 level in blood every yearly, because even after taking proper course, vitamin B12 may fall down repeatedly in many people. So many require yearly or so on treatment courses for vitamin B12 correction. So remember, information given here that will help you to decide whether you require B12 checkup or treatment and what diet you should take to get the vitamin B12. But remember, still many things are not known about vitamin B12. Hence, it is still a mystery for science, as not all vegetarians develop B12 deficiency. Thank you very much for watching my video.